Buddy, hope you're doing great. Let's get rolling. In this video, we're diving into the pro version of HiggsField AI. So, what's HiggsField AI? HiggsField AI is a generative AI platform that creates professional quality cinematic videos from simple text prompts, images, or pre-designed effects. Search HiggsField AI on Google and click the very first link. You'll land on their pre-login home screen. Now, smash that sign up button. Choose your sign up method. I'm going with Google because typing a password in 2025 still feels like a punishment. Select your account, confirm login, and boom, we're in. Before we start making AI magic, let's peek at the pricing. Click on Pricing. Here's the star of the show. Their top choice, the Pro plan. 600 credits per month means you can create around 2,400 images or 120 short videos, or about 20 character generations. 3 concurrent generations basically means 3 interns working for you at once, except they don't ask for coffee breaks. Soul and character creation means you upload a set of reference images, maybe your own or someone else's, and the AI learns face shape, style, and expressions. You also get different models to play with, each eating credits differently. Image editing, video upscaling, lip sync studio, and start and end frame controls. And the cool part, Google VO3 for videos, Google Nano Banana for images, yep, that's the name, and C-Dream 4.0 from ByteDance for image generation. Oh, and unlimited images from the last 2 models. Not bad, right? We'll cover WAN 2.5 preset templates and examples from each tab. And in the next video, we'll explore image and video creation features in detail. Now, let's test out WAN 2.5 templates. Click on this Gorilla template. Hit Recreate. You'll see the template type. It's general. Upload a tiger picture, modify the prompt, and click to generate the clip. Nice, isn't it? Let's check another example.
Yo, I'm stepping the game with the 125. Model so smooth, keeping dreams alive. AI so fresh, got the whole vibe. From data streams deep to the codes that align, while crushing every line. Watch it.
Upload. Generate.
Yo, I'm stepping the game with 125. Model so smooth, keeping dreams alive. Such a drive, it's shiny, fresh, got the whole vibe. One on the shooter, speaking the codes to be rise evil lines. Watch it shape the world. This model's gotta try.
Impressive. That's my kid, by the way. Now let's head over to the Explore section. First up, Visual Effects. It's a collection of cinematic VFX tools built right into the platform. They let you add dramatic, movie-style transformations, like the Earth Zoom Out feature. Choose one. Click on Recreate. Upload your image. Tweak the prompt, and hit Generate. Wow! Let's watch that again. Next, we've got HiggsField Soul. It's an image model by HiggsField AI with 50+ curated presets, so you don't have to be a prompt engineering genius to get cinematic results. Choose any preset. I choose Duplicate. Any one among these many variations. See the prompt. Click Recreate. Upload your image. Change the aspect ratio and generate. See the result? Pretty good, isn't it? Next tab, HiggsField App. It's a collection of ready-to-share templates and effects. Just upload your image and the AI does the rest. No prompts, no stress. See the result? Pretty good, isn't it? Moving on, camera controls. Here you'll find pre-made camera motion styles. Each one changes how the camera moves around your scene. Pick one. Click Recreate. Upload your image. Tweak the prompt and generate. Let's play it. Check out that camera movement. Perfect. Next tab, Viral. Basically, these are the trending styles most of the users are using and creating their clips using them. It may be any of the features we already discussed, or the one we are going to discuss. Up next, action movements. This one's full of high-energy, dynamic motion styles for videos or image animations. Let's choose this one. Looks fun. Upload your image. Maybe add a scene prompt. Click Generate. Let's play. Wow, that nailed it. And finally, UGC. This section helps you create user-generated style videos, perfect for product demos or ads, without needing actors or cameras. Pick a UGC template. Choose your style. Upload your image and generate. Let's play it. That face looks a little chunky there. Could have been better. And that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Because unlike AI, I actually read them.